welcome back to my channel. This is me by Tara. So I'm finally back in my favorite cafe, Sarang cafe, as you can see. So I'm with my younger sister. So today finally, it's Wednesday, and as you all know that there's a Gorshey in empty. Sorry for my guess. There's a Gorshey in empty, so I'm gonna show you that. And so it was pretty hot outside, so we decided to came in Sarang cafe. So I'm having iced cappuccino, my favorite. She's having peach iced tea. Okay, Sarang, what's up? What's up? So she's always on the phone wherever we go. Even if in washroom, she's always with the phone. Can't you leave your cell phone for a while? Yuma, you can't do that, right? The only thing that can keep her away from her cell phone is the only thing that can keep you away from cell phone is food. Okay, we're gonna have food, okay? And let's see if she can stay away from the cell phone. So guys, here is almost already. Gorshey तक जो है बा. Now अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं Gorshey देखने. Gorshey means Tibetan circle dance. So every Wednesday हमारे मजनू का टिल्ला में group dance होता है, like circle dance. So I'm going there. So guys, अब हम लोग है ना Gorshey देख के आए थे, and I'm like sweaty. अब me and my sister हम दोनों आए हैं dinner करने. It's a new Tibetan restaurant in Majnu का टिल्ला, which is called Makne Ama. So मैं अभी यहाँ पे dinner करने वाली हूँ, and I'll tell you how the food is, and I'm gonna order my food. I'm so hungry right now. Yeah, just subscribe to the follow. Don't have life.
No kids.
Yeah. Subscribe to the empty killer, the empty killer. Shunu soksula, just let. Shela nyembanango.
Oh, I don't need to see you. There, so it's that.
Okay, now we are going back. are done with dinner. Now I'm going back to the room. Good night, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, buddy, look at my hair. So guys, अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं सफदरजंग and the weather is like perfectly perfect. ऐसा लग रहा है कि मनाली का मौसम है and अभी बारिश हुआ है ना, बारिश रुकी है and Snowball. Hey. There's another one. Meow.
Was so perfect for you because he was a guy who
Hi guys, so हमने पिज्जा खत्म कर दिया है and I'm feeling good. खाना खाने के बाद किसको अच्छा नहीं लगता है ना? So and right now we are like watching Saddam Hussein's. I'm not interested in Saddam Hussein, but still, it's our favorite. So मेरा dinner तो like pizza से हो जाएगा, and then after like half an hour, I'm going back to empty, and that's it for today, guys. So I'm gonna close out today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Stay tuned, and